Hello everybody and welcome to my Pokemon Go course for beginners. My name is Andrew Hypnorowski and I am an iOS developer, but I've also been playing Pokemon Go since it came out and I fell in love with the game. So what I want to do is I want to teach others how to play the game. So if you take this course, you'll learn everything you need to know about playing Pokemon Go. You'll learn about catching Pokemon, Pokestops, Pokemon gyms. You'll learn tips and tricks on how to evolve your Pokemon, get your Pokemon CP up higher, and level up quicker. This course is set up into 4 different sections to help you maximize your learning. I've added quizzes into the lectures to help make sure that you're on pace with the course. So if you're interested in Pokemon, or you're interested in learning how to play Pokemon Go, or if you're an advanced player and want to learn some tips and tricks, this is the best course you could take to learn Pokemon Go. So if this sounds good to you, then go ahead and enroll in this course, and I'll see you in the first video.